Hey, I'm Mallory Reese, back again, your human design educator. Ask me any question you'd like. Let's talk about the gates in the human design system, where they come from, why they're important, and all the good stuff about them. So in human design, the gates are derived from the Chinese I Ching, and they are deeply connected to our DNA and our genetics and how our genetics show up actually in this lifetime. There are 64 gates total, which go along with the 64 codons of the DNA. Like I said, they're all interconnected. So let's pull up a chart and talk about the gates a little bit more in the context of the actual chart. Okay, so I have my chart pulled up, and if you notice, within each energy center, there's a bunch of numbers. Each of those numbers correspond to a gate, and those gates are basically how those energy centers can be expressed. So, for example, if we take a look at the G center right here in this triangle, we have number 1, 7, 10, 15, 2, 46, 25, and 13, or 33. No, 13, sorry. The numbers are small, but so those are the different ways that the G center can be expressed, the different ways of love and identity that the G center is expressed. Each different energy center has different gates, and it's the way that those energy centers, their energies get expressed. So each energy center has its own energy, and then within the gates, it almost breaks it down even further, because that's what human design does. It takes surface level things and then just continues to break it down, break it down. So if you have questions about your specific gates, drop them down in the comments. I would love to address them because I love the gates in the human design system. They are super fascinating and give you a lot of insight into yourself.